Your boy's been buying way too much stuff. I need an intervention, like ASAP. ASAP. Somebody come save me.
That one man could change the world.
All right, guys, we bought a brand new LG OLED TV, 65 inches. Finally get it into the new house.
You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, so there it is, set up, 65-inch LG OLED TV, 2018. Guys, look how thin this thing is. Look at this. Look how thin that thing is. Unbelievable. I'm telling you guys right now, if you're buying a TV, this is the TV to buy. Got your little unboxing? All right, guys, so now we're gonna unbox the brand new SoundTouch 300 by Bose. This soundbar is supposed to be top of the line. We will see.
I missed ya. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you.
See what all it comes with. What is that?
Sticker.
A sticker? That's not exciting, babe. Show the exciting things. That is not exciting. What's in those packages over there? And all those.
These?
No, yeah, those.
Remote.
Oh, fancy.
This is exciting.
Don't take off this plastic. Oh my God, that is a pet peeve. She knows it too. Oh, that's dope though. What's that?
HDMI.
All right. Ooh, this soundbar takes an HDMI cable. Okay, that's dope. What else do we got? What's in that? What is that? What is that? Oh, that's some high-tech shit.
No idea what
You know what that is?
No.
That's for you to put it on your head, to sit where you're supposed to hear the music, like in the couch area. No, like a headphones, babe.
There's no headphones.
No, like if you were to wear headphones.
Like this?
Yeah, like that. Just like that. And you sit where you sit, you plug that in there, and it's supposed to give you the dynamic range, the perfect like audio setting.
Wow.
Yeah, I reviewed the shit out of this thing before I bought it. Google that shit. I'm at the cell phone lot waiting for the sister. She flies in. Her and my baby mama. Not my baby mama, she hates when I say that. But Catalina getting into it, so got to take her to the hotel, get her in the hotel, start this night. Then I got to go back to the house in Goodyear, move, pack, get ready to move that Goodyear house to Levine. And then about 2 months, then I got to get my loft in downtown Phoenix and get that one ready to move. And then get ready for our build on the house. So we're building a house here soon. So we got 2 moves in a very short period of time.
Heartbreak. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away.
Alright, y'all, so I'm so lost. If you've never been to the Phoenix airport, and it's crazy because I used to travel this all the time, man. But I always end up being lost. I think a lot of it has to do because I'm blind. So I'm looking for Terminal 3. I think this is it. Yeah, but I'm like super blind. That's one thing you guys didn't know about me. It's so bad. My sister was like, yo, come on, Mr. Magoo, where's your Magoo glasses? So I think she is finally here. Man, it's what, 10:40? I think that's right, 10:40. So I've been waiting since like 8:30 at night. This is crazy. Man, and it looks packed too. But, you know, things we do for the family. Goodness gracious. So, she said she's on the south side, I believe. Let's see. Let this car over. I think. So she says she's way at the end of this. Let's see. Oh, I think I see her. I think I see her. I do see her. There's my only sister. She's all by herself. Oh! Oh, hey! That's my sister. Oh, hey! Alright. Oh, okay. Hang on.
What car is this?
Oh!
I didn't even know. Alexa, how are you feeling?
You caught me in a daydream. I was in an old western, sitting on the bar of a saloon, singing songs and telling jokes. When folks walked in, I'd shout, "Howdy!" And they'd look at me and say, "What the heck is that contraption?"
Alexa, play YONASDA.
I couldn't find a station for YONASDA.
Oh no, I'm on Google me, Alexa. I'm lit. My life lit. Alexa, my life lit.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Whip the belly back out.
No.
Bring the belly back out. Come on, YouTube wants to see the belly.
So right here.
Whip it out. Whip it, whip it, whip it. Hey, look at that belly. Baby, shake it.
Shake what?
Shake the belly.
No.
Shake the belly.
He's kicking me enough already.
What are you watching?
That one we never finished watching.
Cloverfield?
Yeah.
This movie's garbage. Why is your wine rack up? That's where my dartboard's supposed to go.
Priority.
No, that is where my dartboard is supposed to
That's
go.
gonna make holes in the wall.
That is gonna make more holes in the wall when people are drunk.
No.
And you're gonna be the one drunk. Trying to get that little sea monkey plaster.
No.
That sea monkey.
Stop.
Right in there.
Are you like zooming into my belly?
No. Dude, this movie's boring. Alright.
You hungry?
Not yet. Look what I got. I'm so excited for it. Can't wait to get it open. Finally purchased a real camera. Wait, how does it go? Just like that. A real camera. I hope it's good. I've been doing reviews for like 3 weeks. I've been driving everyone crazy with it. Babe, have I been driving you crazy?
Insane.
Driving you crazy?
Morning, night, all the time.
But it's worth it. This is supposed to be YouTube gold, baby. Comment down below, let me know if I'm lying. I don't know much about cameras. I didn't know cameras could be so expensive either. They're very expensive. Also got a little bit of this little thing. They call this the Gorilla Pod. This is supposed to be some cool stuff. So you can make it look like a little alien right there. Wrap it around some shit, right? Do that little thing. I'm gonna do that for sure. Gorilla Pod. What else to do? Guess you need that is for sure as well. Lord, oh, upside down. 64 gigabyte, 4K magic. So we're gonna open this here soon. That thing was so expensive. Who knew? But it's all for you guys so we could get some better action, better screen. I'm pregos. I could zoom pretty close on you with this one.
No.
It's getting a little grainy.
He's kicking a lot.
He's kicking?
As soon as he hears you, holy moly.
That's because he knows daddy's home.
Oh my god.
What is this good stuff? She's cooking, guys. Oh, those are bomb, even though I hate green beans. Those are bomb. Is that homemade orange chicken?
Yeah.
That looks bomb too. Little white rice. You guys gotta help me to get her YouTube station going. Cooking with Carolina. But she doesn't want to do it.
I will.
She just wants to sit on the couch.
You have no idea what I did, all the stuff I did today.
You did a lot of stuff today?
Yeah.
No, she didn't. She's been sitting on that couch the entire time. Guaranteed.
Liar. Oh my god.
Oh god.
That food cooked itself.
That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before.
Your boy looks crazy with this thing on. Trying to get this Bose Sound Touch. It tells you to wear this deal like that. That's me right now. How's it look? Look good? Yeah. Need to finish setting it up.